welcome to another episode of Cooking with Caio. So today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Gheimeh. Gheimeh is a Persian stew that has onions, beef, potatoes, and lentils. And you eat it with rice. But if you're a vegetarian, not to worry. Instead of using beef, you can use tofu. So I'm going to quickly go over my ingredients, then we'll get to cooking. So first I have 1 pound of beef, 4 medium potatoes, 1 medium onion, tomato paste, salt, pepper, a couple lentils, Persian stew spice. If you don't have this, you can use curry powder, 1 dried lemon, turmeric. And so now the first step is frying the onions. So we started by frying our onions, and now that they're starting to turn brown, I'm gonna add in my beef. And I'm going to put a few teaspoons of turmeric on top so it's covered and is kind of turning yellow. And I'm going to put 1 more. Now that I add my turmeric in, I'm going to fry it for a couple more minutes. Then we're going to add in some tomato paste. Now that it's fried a little, I'm going to add a spoon of tomato paste, and don't be shy on it. Just a little more, because that was an incomplete spoon. Then I'll mix it in, let it fry a bit, and then I'll add some more stuff. Now that it's fried a bit, I'm going to add in my potatoes. Then I'm going to add in some water until it's covered. Then I'm going to add my couple lentils. Mix it up so they're not all in one piece. Leave it on high, and once the water starts to boil, I'm gonna put it down to simmer. And once it starts to boil, I'm gonna add in my spices. And yeah, and I almost forgot, 2 more spoons of tomato paste. And remember, don't be shy on it. And I'm just gonna mix that in so it doesn't all end up 1 lump of tomato paste. Now that my water has started to show signs of boiling, I'm going to add my spices. But before I add my spices, I have to tell you 2 important things. 1, some people, instead of cooking the potatoes like I do it, fry them and then put it on top. And because it's personal taste. And for the spices and the lentils, you can change the amounts by personal taste, especially the tomato paste. Now, I'm going to add in a couple pinches of my dried lemon. That's for smell. Then I'm going to add my Persian stew spice. Again, instead of this, you can use curry paste. Then I'm going to add my salt and my pepper. Then I'll mix it up a little and turn it down to a simmer. And I'll let it cook for 2 or 3 hours. It's been 2.5 hours, and it's nice and cooked like a stew. And then all you do is you mix it up with rice, and you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If so, please like and subscribe. If you have any new recipes you'd like me to try, leave them down below in the comment section. So, see you next time on Cooking with Caio.